Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to do the spark plug replacement on a 2005 Acura RL. Now this is similar to the TL, the Honda Pilot, the Honda Odyssey, the Acura MDX, the Acura, or the Acura TL. So any of the J series, this is a J35, so the J32, so again, anything with the J series, it's pretty much the same setup. So if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions in regards to this video, and then hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future, and we'll go ahead and start this video after the intro. Alright, so what we're going to go ahead and do on this one, we're going to go ahead and pop these clips off. Now we need to turn it just like kind of like this needs to be like turned like this, so up and down. So this is the east to the west, so we need this clip to be north and south. Then we got to pop off these clips, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then these guys right here, we just have to lift this up with our hands so we can pop off the clip. And same thing on this side, we'll just pop these guys right off with our hand. And then we need to take off the reservoir, push that aside. We can actually tuck this in right here. Now on some of them, they'll actually have a 10mm holding in the reservoir. This one doesn't have anything holding it in. Then right here for the front, we have 10mm. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3. Now for the other cars, they're gonna be a hex 6 or like an Allen size 6. So that's what you're gonna need. But this one's just a 10mm, and you just pop these clips right off. And to take these guys off, we're gonna be using a 5/8 spark plug socket. Alright, so for the rear setup, we're pretty much going to be doing the same thing. It's a little bit more tighter space, but I mean, you can get away with it. So if you need to move your power steering line, you just move it up and down. If you need to take off this little bracket that's holding it, there's going to be a 10mm. So there's this bracket right here, and then there's the 10 right there. So if that bracket's in the way, so you can actually move the power steering line. So obviously, you know, 1, 2, and then right there would be the third one right here. So we'll go ahead and take those off. Now I'm gonna try to record this to the best of my abilities. So for this clip right here, I moved this out the way so I can have enough room to pull off the spark plug tube. So it's just, you pull this tab back right here, and then it should come right out. So I'm using the 6-inch extension. This will be the best attack for this job. So in order to take out this guy, just separate the extension, and then while you're still grabbing the spark plug socket, and then you should be able to pull this guy right out. So for this guy, for the front, make sure that this guy is clipped in and that you hold this right up top. If this video helped you out, comment down below, give it a thumbs up again, and then hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future, and thanks for watching.